Welcome to Kerala PSC Prep. Today's study notes cover Sentence Improvement, 30 PSC Pattern questions with solutions. 30 sentence improvement questions with PSC pattern options, common replacement errors, and grammar rules. Essential for Kerala PSC Graduate Level exams. 1. Key grammar rules for sentence improvement. Rule: incorrect. Subject-verb agreement. The team are playing well. Tense consistency. He went to the market and buys vegetables. Correct preposition. He is good in mathematics. Continuing 1. Key grammar rules for sentence improvement. Pronoun reference. Each student must bring their ID. Parallel structure. She likes to read, writing, and to swim. Correct conjunction. Although he is poor, but he is honest. Double negatives. He doesn't know nothing. Continuing 1. Key grammar rules for sentence improvement. Misplaced modifier. Running quickly, the bus was caught. Redundancy. He returned back home. Correct article. He is a honest man. 2 questions 1 to 10. Basic level. Analysis. Detail. Error. Has completed present perfect cannot be used with yesterday past time reference. Rule. Past perfect had completed is needed because the action was completed before the telling. Answer. A. Had completed. Continuing 2. Questions 1 to 10. Basic level. Analysis. Detail. Error. Furniture is an uncountable noun, takes a singular verb. Answer. A. Is. Analysis. Detail. Continuing 2. Questions 1 to 10. Basic level. Error. More plus comparative, taller is a double comparative. Rule. Use either more tall unusual or taller not both. Answer. A. Taller. Analysis. Detail. Continuing 2. Questions 1 to 10. Basic level. Error. Insist takes on plus gerund not infinitive. Answer. A. Insisted on going. Analysis. Detail. Error. Since 2015 indicates an action starting in the past and continuing requires present perfect continuous. And 17 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. 3. Questions 11 to 20. Intermediate level. Analysis. Detail. Error. Subjunctive mood. Hypothetical unreal condition requires were for all persons. Answer. A. If I were. Analysis. Detail. Continuing 3. Questions 11 to 20. Intermediate level. Error. Who refers to those plural, so the verb must be plural. Believe. Answer. A. Who believe. Analysis. Detail. Error. Committee acting as a single body takes singular verb, has and singular pronoun its. Continuing 3. Questions 11 to 20. Intermediate level. Answer. A. Has submitted its. Analysis. Detail. Error. Hardly dot when or no sooner dot th and don't mix them. Answer. A. When the train left. Continuing 3. Questions 11 to 20. Intermediate level. Analysis. Detail. Error. Latin comparatives, senior, junior, superior, inferior, prior, posterior, take to not than. Answer. A. Senior to. Analysis. Detail. And 15 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. 4. Questions 21 to 30. Advanced level. Analysis. Detail. Error. No sooner. Th and is the correct pair, not when. Answer. A. Than it started. Analysis. Detail. Continuing 4. Questions 21 to 30. Advanced level. Error. Reason is because is redundant. Reason already implies cause. Answer. A. Reason is that. Analysis. Detail. Note. Could not help but laugh is grammatically acceptable in formal English, but could not help laughing is more standard. Continuing 4. Questions 21 to 30. Advanced level. Answer. A. Could not help laughing. Analysis. Detail. Rule. In neither. Nor constructions, the verb agrees with the nearer subject. Students plural is nearer, so were. Answer. A. Were present. Continuing 4. Questions 21 to 30. Advanced level. Analysis. Detail. Error. Hanged has two past forms. Hung for objects and hanged for execution. Pictures are hung. Answer. A. Hung. Analysis. Detail. And 14 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. 5 common errors summary table. Error type. Wrong. Although. But although he was tired, but he worked. Unless. Not unless you do not try, you won't succeed. Hardly. When, not than. Hardly had I sat down than. Continuing 5. Common errors summary table. No sooner. Th and, not when. No sooner did he come when. Prefer. To, not than. I prefer tea than coffee. Senior junior. To, not than. He is senior than me. Return back, redundant. He returned back. Continuing 5. Common errors summary table. Revert back, redundant. Please revert back. Discuss about, redundant. Let us discuss about the plan. Enter into, redundant for rooms. He entered into the room. For complete notes with tables and more details, visit keralaprep.com. Take quizzes and earn mock tests. Join our Telegram channel at keralaprep26 for daily updates.